The day has come to say bye-bye to my old car after 6 years of reliable journey. Hey, hello everyone. Today finally the big day has come. I'm here at Tata Motors to get delivery of my Tata Harrier XZA Dark Edition. The car is ready for the delivery and it's almost done. Although it took 2 hours more than what I expected. So finally taking the beast home. Let's see. I'm really enjoying the drive in my new Harrier XZA Dark Edition. And if you're taking the delivery of your car, I have some tips for you. Don't go with the dealer provided accessories too much. You can just go with the basic one. For example, I just went with the mud flaps and mascot, and that was really around 3,000 rupees as such. And also when you're taking the delivery, make sure you take in the daytime and you take a 360 view of your car, so that you know if there is some dents or minor scratches and you couldn't find on spot, you can use it or later on. Even if you find on the spot and they cannot repair it that time, make sure you get in written, like it happened with me. There was one minor dent and I asked them to provide a written note, so that next time when I go there and I don't find the same service person, I can get the work done still, without any hassle as such. So I hope you get a better drive of your car soon. Stay safe.